All right, welcome back. I want to just quickly talk about how do you apply for the CAPM exam. I get a lot of questions and emails from people. Will I help them apply for the CAPM? I cannot. As you can imagine, with hundreds of thousands of people taking this course and my other classes right now, it'd be impossible for me to review your qualifications or to walk through the application with you. But it's not hard to do. Don't overthink the online application process. You go out to pmi.org and you enter your information. It's a very logical approach. Don't overthink it. Don't be anxious about applying for the CAPM. You have to have a high school diploma, a GED or better to qualify. And you need 23 hours of project management education. This course, the CAPM Masterclass, will qualify you to pass the exam. So what you'll enter in this information will be the course name, where you took the course, and the information about your high school diploma and so on. It's a very logical approach. So I'm being very deliberate here because I do get a lot of emails from people asking me questions. And I'm not always able to respond immediately or sometimes at all. But it's not hard to do. Thousands and thousands of other people have done this before you. And if they can do it, you can do it too. So you just go on to pmi.org and complete the application there. You just search for the CAPM and then you fill out the form and you'll be well on your way to passing the CAPM. All right, so don't overthink it. Not too hard to do.